Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be my travel with me to Los Angeles / BTS vlog. I do want to preface this by saying I did such a terrible job at capturing footage. I really just wanted to enjoy every moment with my friends, so please ignore the poor quality of footage and if it's like all over the place. Also, I will be doing a lot of voiceover because I was too shy to talk in real life and film at the same time. It's 5 a.m. and we're headed to the airport with Shooky. Cannot wait to see BTS. And I have landed in Los Angeles. Yay! So I actually landed on Wednesday. My friends and I went to Disneyland, and a vlog on what I did, what I ate will be up soon. On Thursday, the concert day, I totally forgot to film, but I did take photos of our hotel view, kimbap that I ate for lunch, the SoFi Stadium view. I think I was just too excited that I'm seeing BTS to function properly. But there were so many activations and things to do during the day. Lots of armies passing out freebies. There was the McDonald's booth, Laneige and Tiny Tan booth, and a lot of photo areas. So the day passed by pretty quickly. We got to the parking lot around 1:30, hung around, waited in some lines, and then started to head to our entrance gate. The line process was pretty chaotic at first, but then we were able to go in through another gate and we made it inside. I will also probably stop talking soon so you can enjoy all of the concert footage I was able to capture. But I hope I don't get demonetized, even though I'm not making any money off of my videos yet. So we'll see. Hopefully it doesn't matter.
Are you guys cold? Everybody's cold? Oh my goodness. That's perfect. Enjoy. Oh no. Guys, enjoy. If you feel cold, you gotta jump. You gotta put your legs up. You gotta vibe.
오늘 온라인이어가지고
그러니까.
많은 분들이 또 보고 계실 거예요.
우리 전 세계 많은 남이 여러분들이 지금 생중계로 지켜보고 계십니다. 오늘 실상은 많은 분들이 지켜보고 계십니다. 오늘 실사면 오케이. 너무 됐어. 조심하라고. 다음 곡 좀 힘들거든요.
이제 좀 보실게요.
어떻게 하나?
Hey, Ami! From now on, forget all your worries and enjoy with us, okay? Are you ready for tonight? Let's
So this last bit, I removed the audio because I feel like I will get copyrighted for it. But it was their encore song, Permission to Dance. We all knew and expected this to be their last song from the previous 3 shows. But after looking at this footage, like, look at V's sly little smile and smirk, like, he knows something's gonna happen. And yeah, Chris freaking Martin came out and they performed My Universe. I was literally screaming in my seat, OMG. Like, I did not expect them to play My Universe at all, and I'm so glad that they did for the last day. Look at all of them going to hug Chris. I love their relationship so much, and it makes me so happy just like rewatching all of this footage. And then on the floor, they came out with the little blow up planets. It was so cute and such an amazing experience, and I'm so glad that I was able to witness this masterpiece in real life. I am unwell. I will never get over this concert, honestly. It was so amazing, and I really hope that they announce a world tour soon and that all armies across the world can see them perform live. now I'm back at LAX, heading home after a wonderful 2 days and my first time seeing BTS live. I really hope you enjoyed this vlog. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. I will be posting more concert footage on my TikTok channel, so be sure to follow me there, and I'll be back with my Disneyland vlog very soon. See y'all next time. Bye!